Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hapoh near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kum ka Jingïarap ye ki Dorbar Shnong. Pakin dubla aban ai Jingïarap Shillong yeng ki bala mat ye ka Jing'e na ka Jingkhangdam bala penjeri da ki Borsen Shar jong ke East Khasi Hills District ka bala ne mental ajan arbanai duna. UMLA jong ka South Shillong Constituency uba Sanbor Shulai ulamang Jingïarap sanlak tengka ya ka ba ulabha na ka tulap ka ba ulayo kumundong mi khaman. Kidon hado kat South ligi Dorbar Shnong ki baha Hapoh kani ka Constituency ki ban sayo Jingïarap nagani ka song pisa ka ba uba Sanbor Shulai ulamang kerpang syakinong song Shnong ki balamat Jing'e hakum kani ka por.
So, sir, maybe you're quite well aware that we have a population that is that very much belongs to the periphery. You know? They are mostly the populace in Dorbar are those laborers, sales boys, sales girls in PB, in Yodo. You know? The marginal, the people who are at the marginal view of the society. But understanding that, I think the other issues that we're facing in Dorbar last year is about we have the maximum cases also. Okay, but then this year we've seen that there's been a shift in the rate of mortalities, in even in the rate of positive cases also. I'm happy to inform the gathering also at the same time that. With the 45 plus categories, we have reached 80 to 85% of vaccination. So I give my sincere appreciation and gratitude to the CCMT, who's been able to really garner support and participation. So much that this year I am very, very much thankful and very happy to inform that even the rate of mortality has come down. We have a few deaths compared to other localities which has not been so open to vaccination. So apart from that, I think before this start of the lockdown, we've been addressing a lot of, we have been having lots of committee and meetings with the CCMT and the health owners regarding issue of space, congestion, and cooperation from the tenants and landowners of that place. So I find that as we move on to the next phase or towards the end or the third and second phase of the lockdown, we've been able to address a number of issues like overcrowding in shops. That too, the CCMT has taken the lead in helping us. And then we also have other issues like the health workers are facing, the heavy duty or the extreme hard work that they're doing in the area in sensitizing house door-to-door survey, door-to-door visit of positive cases. So sir must be, I think sir and the CCMT are quite aware that last year there's been much help coming from sir and the CCMT together in coming to the assistance of the problem of the health workers also. So much of our ASHAs or health workers has received much help from the MLA and from alongside the participation of the CCMT. So I would like to say that in our area, I think we should work more on awareness regarding following of COVID appropriate behavior in the locality, which I think the CCMT is looking after every day. So from my side, sir, I would like to inform you that regarding considering all the problems that we face, I must say that until today, we've been working in tandem with CMT and the Shnong, and there has not been any issue that I've not been able to solve. So any added assistance from your side, any other assistance towards the health workers or the ASHA, the Anganwadidi are much, of course, welcome, but we are actually at a position to say that even the 18 plus vaccination is going on full strength. The 45 plus category also we're seeing a lot of improvement, and we've been able to cover 80 to 85%.
Support, and they really done it. They came forward, contributed essential commodities, food, and even some financial assistance. And those who come to my house, there is no option, circumstances compel them to step in my doorstep, because they don't have even money to buy charcoal or kerosene oil or firewood to cook. Do they have a little bit of rice now? There are children who are sick. They don't have money to buy medicine. There are children who need to drink milk every day. They don't have money to drink. I'm informed by my family members and my staff from office, where my missus and my family members, I give them directive to extend 3,000, 4,000, depend on the numbers of the family, because I know, as a person who born and brought up here, I know who are genuine and who are not genuine, who are poor and who are not poor. So they are sitting every and extended financial help to them, and remember, service to people is service to God. I told my family members and my staff in the office, don't let them go empty. The salary, which I'm getting 3,000 rupees every month. Yes, as per the procedure, the salary from the office, they deposit direct to my account. It is there, deposited there in my account. And during this time of difficulties, this period of difficulties, if me, you, we can eat well, we can sleep well, without any problem, without any distress. My conscience doesn't allow me to see that these people will be living in starvation. I must express my very, very sincere thanks from the bottom of my heart. I spoke to them every day from hospital. I appeal to them specially, please go, organize yourself, especially in the containment area, like the Palpat Bazaar, the Lower Palpat Bazaar, the border of Lower Palpat Bazaar and Jingïarap. My friends, last year during the lockdown, I went personally with my volunteers, with those COVID leaders from the area, to provide them day and night food. And those are our own brother and sister. They are human beings like me and you, who are homeless, sleeping on the ground with tarpaulin. And these are the beggars in the area. Plenty of beggars. If you go to Maulai, on the way on the right side of Durga Mandir, Bauri, Compass, Lower Palpat Bazaar, you will see plenty of tarpaulin plastic, where these hawkers, mentally retarded, old people, both men and women, are living there. They carry bowl. They are coming to the door of each and every hotel to beg for food for their survival. I express my sincere thanks to the Dorbar CCMT, the Lower Palpat Bazaar CCMT and the Palpat Bazaar CCMT, that they have united together with my friends, my well-wisher from that area, from the hospital. I told them, go, take care of them. They are spending their time morning 3 times a day to look after them. Because if they carry more also to beg for food, but the shops are all closed. So this organization together, they are cooking food for them 3 times a day. They are getting food. In my absence, then maybe tomorrow I'm okay now, I'm strong. From tomorrow, all of you, all of my friends, I want to see them with my own eyes. How is the living condition? But what Shnong and a few of my friends from Shnong, when we had a conversation outside before the start of the meeting, I was asking them that I remember last year during the session in the assembly, it was announced in the August House that 5,000 each will be provided to all the local COVID management committee, Dorbar. But I'm very surprised to know today from my friend from Shnong, what they have informed now that they are not, they have not even get even 1 rupee also to date. Thank you so much. The CCMT of various localities that due to you that everything is going smoothly as reported by our honorable doctor, honorable magistrate, due to your cooperation, your support, without getting even 1 paisa also, but still you are coming forward to support. Yes, you are not getting any financial support from them. Government will need, but I do believe in myself that God will bless you. The service, the noble service that you have rendered, God will bless you because I experience myself.
Check. Now, 19 community management. Next, COVID community, Hapoh, Lower Falcon Bazar, Cantonment area.